Guys, welcome back to my channel. Always a pleasure having you in the kitchen. If you're new viewer, definitely welcome you to my channel. I do weekly videos. Please consider subscribing by hitting that red subscription button. Also notification bell. You'll be the first to notify as soon as I release a new video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make super amazing, delicious shrimp taco bowl. Plenty of ingredients. Let's check it out. Guys, as you see, what I have is about 2 pounds of shrimps thoroughly prepped with some lime vinegar, garlic powder, chili powder, fajita seasoning, chicken cube seasoning, and of course curd and blend green seasoning. I do have a video which I will pin in the description of this one so you guys can check it out how to make that lovely green seasoning. Goes well with any kind of meat that you come to be using. Next step is basically go ahead and add your ingredients. I'll keep my list of all the ingredients I'm using will definitely be in the description so you guys can always check it out.